Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So, I haven't been, making a whole lot of, content lately because, I've been on, working, 12-hour shifts at my shop, and, I'm sure that, anybody that, has a, job out there understands that, well, we need our rest. And sometimes I just don't have the energy to make a YouTube video, so. But I just wanted to get on here and tell everybody that we have a winter storm approaching in western New York. We're expected ice cold temperature. We're expected an ice storm. From what from the information I've gathered, we're expected to get a big ice storm. So, temperatures are supposed to dip into the as low as negative 30 degrees. That's gonna be a cold one. So, the best thing I can do is, give all you guys some personal advice. If you have to travel in this, make sure you got plenty of fuel in your car. Make sure you have a rescue kit in your car. Drink plenty of warm fluids. Keep yourself fed, because believe it or not, when your digestive system is working, it actually keeps your body a lot warmer. So make sure you're eating right. Make sure you're drinking plenty of fluids. And as crazy as it sounds, make sure you drink plenty of water. Because as nutty as it sounds, you can get dehydrated in the cold water. It's happened to me plenty of times. And also, I just want to make the comment. I know that some of you might comment, "Oh, you're not wearing a shirt, really?" Well, you know what? It's my channel. It's my home. And it's 75 degrees in my apartment, and I don't feel like adjusting my heat. So, if you don't like the fact that I'm not wearing a shirt, don't watch my channel. I don't care. But for those of you who don't mind seeing me shirtless, well, cool. But yep, just be prepared, folks. Make sure you got a rescue kit in your car, just in case. Make sure you got plenty of fuel in your car. make sure you're keeping yourself fed. Make sure you stay hydrated, and well, get stay warm, everybody. I've got to get ready for another 12-hour shift. See you guys. Bye now.